be creative and to combine this creative knowledge into a physical form using modern technology is truly amazing. Starting as a side hustle and to make it into a business, that's awesome. To start something awesome, you need knowledge and courage. Hi friends, I am Tushar Thakkar, founder of JK Plus Laser Technology and Pack and Buy. Welcome to my class wherein you will get lot of practical knowledge and you will learn how to make creative and innovative products using this modern computerized laser technology, starting from the scratch to the finished output. Yes, in this class we would make products using this laser cutting machine, which are one of the most common computerized technology available. You are going to learn in depth about how we do it practically and all in very simple step-by-step process. And the best part is this class is beginner friendly. You are going to get benefit about my long years of experience and expertise into this subject without you getting into all that trial and error that I had it long way. This class would be versatile as we will be using lot of different materials like
acrylic for creating nameplates and signages, MDF for making creative products, fabrics for making fashionable outfits, paper for creating wedding cards, leather for making bags, shoes and jackets, foam sheets for industrial products, cardboard for creative fun products, and more.
this class is for students, hobbyists, artists and designers, graphic designers, freelancers and side hustlers, as all the majority of them are looking for a platform wherein they could learn and convert their creativity into a physical form. I believe we need more creativity into this world. We need more entrepreneurship and creators following their dreams. In all the coming classes, we would make a lot of creative, physical, scalable, finished products from something which is nothing. It's time to dive in. Before we do that, I would really appreciate if you can follow me on Skillshare by clicking on this green follow button on the top. This means you will get updates as I launch my next classes. So let's explore. Hi friends. In this session, we would learn about what do you exactly mean by laser cutting technology and how does the laser cutting machine work in a very simplified manner. Laser cutting is a technology that uses a laser beam to vaporize a material through a very high voltage of laser beam being passed onto the surface of the material. It's a very similar concept wherein we have
sun and a magnifying glass. When a magnifying glass is held over a piece of paper at a distance equal to its focal length, which allows sun radiation to concentrate on that focal point and creates a very high pressure beam so that it actually starts burning and vaporizes the beneath surface materials. Similar is a laser cutting concept wherein we have sun, that is a laser tube that has a concentrated gas which generates a very high voltage power in the form of laser beam. We have a magnifying glass which is called as lens. Normally it's very small in size, say around 50 mm, which is attached to nozzle. Nozzle with the help of mirror and lens reflects the laser beam into a very high voltage laser beam which vaporizes material and precisely cuts them. Then we have to connect our computer to the laser cutting machine through USB cord, whereas it has an inbuilt software which gives us control over the speed and power to be given to the machine. Here, depending upon the material we'll be using, may it be hard or soft, we adjust speeds and power accordingly. Thus, there are different materials we can play with like paper, wood, acrylic, leather and many more. So depending upon the thickness of the material, we determine the speed and power that is to be instructed to the machine. Taking an example of paper, the speed for paper, the speed would be very high and the power would be low. And vis-a-vis for acrylic, the speed would be slow and the power would be high.
I am not going to go very deep into this, as practically we will be using this machine and the software in the coming classes.
There are two major roles of laser cutting machine: cutting and engraving. Cutting is you can cut anything through and through. It actually is very precise, and even the minute details can be achieved through this laser beam, giving us a very professional results or outcome. Second one is engraving. We also call it etching, where we swipe away a top layers of material without cutting it, as you can see in this examples.